Marquita. The council's approaching for page 15.
Okay.
Ramirez. Joseph.
Hi, Frank. How are you? You ready? Come on. Good morning, Mr. Ramirez. Sir, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. You're facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. On April 17, 2025, in Harris County, Texas, an officer observed a pickup truck change lanes without using a turn signal. The officer observed the vehicle change lanes twice prior to initiating the traffic stop. The officer approached and observed the defendant to be the driver and sole occupant of the vehicle. The officer noted a strong odor of alcoholic beverage emitting from the defendant. The defendant was ID'd by his Texas driver's license. The defendant stated that he did not know how to provide proof of financial responsibility. As the defendant responded to the officer's questions, the officer noted an odor of alcoholic beverage emitting from the defendant's breath. Standard field sobriety tests were conducted. A 6 out of 6 was reported on the HGN, and the defendant stated that he could not perform the walk and turn or the one-legged stand. The DIC was read, and the defendant refused to provide breath or blood voluntarily. A blood warrant was obtained and the defendant's blood was drawn.
Yeah, may I respond?
Please.
Okay, first of all, Judge, the reason it's not on there for some reason, but the reason he told the officer he can't do it because he has surgery to his back and to his knee. He can't do it. Secondly, there's no mention of any slurred speech, no bloodshot eyes, no swaying.
I mean, yeah, I was actually thinking about that as well. All you have is an odor of alcohol. Anything, there's no accident. It's just a turn. All we have is an odor of alcohol. Is there anything else? The odor alone is insufficient.
No, that he was coming from a tattoo shop, and the police officer asked him, "Is he alcohol because of the tattoo?"
Is he what?
He just had a tattoo put on. That's just going to, so that's the odor of alcohol.
Come on, man.
That's what, no, that's, I'm just saying. I mean, that the officer actually asked him that question.
What are they, the little alcohol that you put on your skin? You tell me that?
I don't know how it works, Judge. I've never had a tattoo.
You're killing me. You're killing me, Smalls.
Your Honor, the law instruction does state in the that there is a distinct odor of alcoholic beverage emanating from the defendant's breath as he spoke.
Okay. Yeah.
That's all we have before we initiated the standardized post-sobriety test.
Okay, that's not enough. All right, I'm going to find no probable cause in your case, Mr. Ramirez. You know, we have enough death on our streets now. You know, $40, one button will get you a car wherever you want to go in this life. You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
Use it. All right, please.
Thank you.
Thanks, Frank.